In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make a cartoon character's body using beveling a box. There are some tutorials teaching how to using sculpting to build a model, but for the regular shaped models with beautiful curves and regular curve or surface, I'm more preferred using boxing modeling instead of sculpting because it is more easy to be standardized. Okay, let's start. Let me hide the camera, edge to hide, and let me switch to orthographic view. Select the box, tap to the edit view, 1 to front, and Control R to loop cut. Let me use Alt Z to bring to the X-ray mode so that I can select the vertex which is behind the view, and press 1 to vertex selection, B to box select. Remove these 4 vertices. Okay, and then let me add a modifier, mirror modifier. Okay, to edge selecting, select these 8 edges here, and Control B to bevel. Okay, now we have our basic shape of the body. Here I'm gonna put the neck, and here I'm gonna put the leg, and here we can extrude the arm. Let's start from the leg. First let me adjust the scale of this. Let me press 7 to top view, 1 to vertex selection, and bring it a little bit up. Okay, and for here, let's bring it a little bit down. Okay, let me Alt Z to turn off the X-ray, and top view 9 to bottom view, 2 to edge selection. Select these 2 edges. Maybe I want to bring it like this. S, Y. Control E, bring up edge selections, edge menu, subdivide. Select this divided edge, Shift V to slide along the edge. Okay. Now I'm gonna extrude this face as a leg. Press 3 to edge to face selection, E to extrude. So here is the front, here is the back. I want to make a little adjustment on the vertex 1 to vertex selection. I want to merge these 2 vertices, Alt M, at last. The reason why I merged these 2 vertices, I can show you by using the subdivision surface modifier, and let me make more detail to level 2. Okay, the reason why I merged that 2 vertices, because by doing this, you will see here the shape looks like an S, and here it looks like a belly. So it looks what it should looks like at the reality. Now press 2, bring to the edge selection. Select these 2 edge. Control E to edge menu, subdivide. Select this edge, Shift V to slide along the edge. It's good here. And then let's using 3 to select and face, E to extrude. Press S to extrude along X axis. Let's make the first the Alt Z to bring X-ray, and to bring out the transform menu, let's creasing it. Okay, cool. For here, let me E to extrude, S to scale, E to extrude, a little bit of crease, creasing it. Okay, it's almost done here. And then we can add a head on it. Okay, thanks for watching.